this is the most refreshing drink you will ever make for yourself in this summer. It has become one of my favorites. Let me walk you through how you can make yours. For this recipe, you need any sweetener of your choice. I'm making use of sugar, handful of mint leaf, 1 orange, I already removed the skin, and 3 lemon, I already removed the skin. You can leave the skin of the lemon, but I will advise you take it off, alright? I will transfer all the ingredients into the blender, fill it up with water, cover it and blend it until it's perfectly smooth. Go ahead and strain the juice out of the shaft. Trash the shaft and keep the juice, alright? If you have a cheesecloth, please make use of cheesecloth so you can get rid of the particles, alright? Because I didn't have a cheesecloth, I strained it a couple of times with the help of two sieve, alright? The tiny one and the big one, alright? And I was able to get rid of the shaft. And you guys, what you have here is minty, sweet, and sour. You guys, the flavor is out of this world. Go ahead and transfer your drink into your glass and enjoy. Hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.